Howdy YouTube. So today I'm going to be back working on the bow fishing platform. This is what I got so far. It's basically, this right here is the deck. That's going to be the feet that holds it up. At an angle because the boat is not square. So, and then all that's going to be hung off. But yeah, so that's basically what we got so far. We're just going to have to go through and finish it up. Gonna get everything welded out here, flip it over, get that cross member put in, put some more cross members that way, and then once we do that, we should be good to go to flip it over, do the handrails, add some gussets. I still gotta add some gussets and stuff across the boards, and then put that metal on for the decking, and we'll be done. So shouldn't be too much longer, but I'll keep y'all posted. Howdy YouTube. So today I just finished up this project I've been working on. I'm gonna put I put video of me doing most of it after this. Sorry, but yeah, this is what we got done. I'm gonna turn the camera around so y'all can see. But basically, what this is it's a platform for a boat, a bass fishing type boat, to turn it into a bow fishing boat, so that he can put it on, take it off as he needs. Some will use it for bass fishing, and then I'm not sure, so you can use it for both. But I'll spin you around and show y'all what we got. All right, so let me back up so y'all can get a good scene. This is what we got. It is 70 by 80 by 70. Well, I guess by 80. These are 22 inches tall, will end up being 24. It is 16 from there to there, so yeah, 16 inches legs. These are at an angle on either side going in, so then it matches the curve of the boat, so it will sit inside of it. I think I made them a touch nail so it would fit. Got me some gussets down there. But yeah, got a mesh top. This is I think it's number 9 in Spanish steel. 3/4 9, I think. Don't quote me on that. I really need to get that figured out at some point, but yeah. I blend those welds just because I blended a lot of them, so I just gotta make it look like the ones I blended. I meant to blend all in. So yeah, I mean I just love the look of this because it's thin wall square tubing, so it's very square and everything. Yeah, I still got some blending up there to do. Oh, you can't and stuff. Just because I blended the bottom ones and stuff, so try to blend everything that looks like it's what you blended. I could leave it, but we'll see what ended up happening. But yeah, and I went through and I 45'd everything instead of mitered and capped it. But I think it came out pretty good. And it's fairly light, which I like. I mean, maybe 200 pounds. I think I figured up what it was. I don't remember what I figured, but yeah. So that's basically what we got here. Yeah, like I said, I'll put the video on me building it. Probably before or after this, I'm not sure. But yeah, I mean, it's a nice little project. I'm gonna call him up and tell him it's done. I told him it'll probably be done tomorrow, and that's what it was. So, but yeah, so maybe spin y'all back around. So yeah, that's about what it is. Nothing too exciting with this. Just thought little project that y'all would like to see. I might go ahead and just post this video first, and I might post the video of actually making it separate. We'll see. This guy got like 4 hours of film that I gotta go through. And I don't know if y'all want to see that, but let me know if you do. Put in the comment section below. And I'm going to make a video probably tomorrow. Hopefully this will be uploaded tonight, and then tomorrow I got a video I'm going to make about my auto crane on my truck. I'm having a little issues with it. Well, I think it's an issue. So if any of y'all know anything about hydraulics, I would be greatly appreciated. Well, I'll just wait and tell y'all in that video. But if any of y'all do, leave it in the comment section below. But I'll make that video seeing if y'all know anything or what it's called. But yeah. So I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I am dirty, but it's okay. So I'm gonna clean up and I'm gonna head on to the house, get cleaned up, eat some dinner, go on, and start again tomorrow. But thank y'all for watching.